me captive, put locks on the doors. Did your best to scare me off, tried to put to rest my voice, tried to make me think I don't have much of a choice. Pushing me when